Hello and welcome to everyone, it's me. I'm back with another video. A lot of you have been asking for me tons of questions. Last week I got to make a video about my student hall, what are my choices and what actually I do at my weekends. Okay, I make videos every Friday morning on my Secrets Garden. Today's program for you, the secrets of the garden. And you might be speaking English language with amazing grammar and using some amazing vocabulary, but if you are not pronouncing these words correctly, then you are going to stand out, and not for the right reason. People think that you are not a local. They are going to notice you are not a native speaker. So this series will help you how to pronounce better and how English is really spoken. Hopefully you learn something new from here. So don't waste any time. Let's go inside and discover your secrets. Today, I have got lots of things for you to listen to, and I'm going to take you around this typical university hall garden. Plants, one of the foundation of life on earth, and walking around a garden you feel better, isn't it? I'll let you know one little secret, okay? Let you in on the little garden secret. Today's secret, bees and poppies. Why bees love poppies? A poppy is a flowering plant in the subfamily Papaveridae of the family of Papaveraceae. Bees love poppies despite the fact that they lack inflorescences, means they don't produce sugary sweet nectar, because poppies are a fantastic source of pollen. Bees and poppies go together. Poppies are a rich source of pollen for bees. Look inside a poppy flower. And you will see many hairy and thoroughful pollens. Out and about, I took some photograph of bumblebees foraging on Papaver somniferum. That's it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you learned something new from here, and this series is there to kind of help you sound like a local. So I really hope you enjoy practicing and stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the new notifications. Thanks for watching.